Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adioluwa and we do African natural hair care, the natural way with things we already have at home and all of that. And last video I talked about how to wash your hair. So today I'd washed my hair and I thought let me just show you a bit demonstration of how to dry your hair and then style it later. So let's get into it. So the best clothing item you can use to mop up the excess water from your hair is not necessarily a towel, although if you have towel that is fantastic. But your old t-shirts, instead of throwing them away, wash them properly, have them sterilized, and then use them as your hair towel. So this would just be what I will use as a demonstration for old t-shirts. I exhausted it, so yeah. So you just, after washing your hair, you just take it around your head. You take it around your head and you make sure it covers every aspect of your hair, and then whatever is left, you just tie it and talk. You're at home, so yeah, so that's it. You just tie and talk. Make sure you cover your ears so that the water dripping from your hair will not keep dripping on yourself. And then you just leave it and go about your day normally like you do, and give it like say 5 hours. I'm not saying you should count, but just go on doing whatever it is you want to do. And when you just feel like, I want this thing off now, then you remove it, and then you take your fingers beneath your scalp. That way the water left will come up to the surface. Then when it comes up to the surface, I've not left it long enough, so when it comes up to the surface, then you add your hair creams. I use shea butter mixed with castor oil for now. Next time I might use shea butter and something else, So I use shea butter mostly. So you apply it from your tip, because the tip of your hair is like the most vulnerable as it is. It's the one prone to breakage. You don't put it at the base of your scalp. If you must put anything at the base of your scalp, it has to be oil, and you have to massage it in, So you apply it from tip, you understand? And then when you're combing, you section your hair into bits. So you section your hair into bits, and then you comb from tip to base, and you use wide tooth comb, not the tiny ones. You use the wide tooth comb. So next time I will continue on hair care. It's a very long journey, but it's a very rewarding journey. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos such as this. Click on the notification bell so that when other videos come up, you'll be able to see it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Shalom.